How to lock apps on Android device. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to lock apps on your Android device without using any third-party app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open settings on your device. Scroll down, open privacy. In here select privacy next to permissions. Tap on App Lock. And here you need to enter your privacy password. Once it is correct, this will help you access this section. Here you need to select the application which you want to lock on your Android device. You need to make sure to toggle the button on, but before that make sure to ensure that you have toggled the button on of your app lock at top of the screen, and then you can easily toggle the button on in this way and the app will be locked, and whenever you open the application you will require any password to get access to the application. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.